Hello, okay guys, this is the first video I made and this is also the first time I post a video on YouTube. Here, I wanna explain about code switching and code mixing. Actually, I made this video for sociolinguistic assignment, but then I have another purpose, that is to give a simple explanations about code switching and code mixing in order that you can understand what code switching is and what code mixing is. But by the way, are you familiar with the word sociolinguistic? Well, sociolinguistics is one of subject I took in English department at Faculty of Teacher Training and Education in Jember University. It is concerned with language in social and cultural contexts, especially how people with different identities like age, race, ethnicity, class speak, and how their speech changes in different situations. So let's talk about code switching. Guys, we are able to speak since we were child, right? And someone who taught us to speak is the people around us. When the first language that we use for speaking is called as mother tongue, and it becomes our native language. When we grew up, then we learned other language because we need it for some reasons. So guys, I'm sure there will be situations when we have to change our language to the listener native language in some purpose, and the purpose is to make them, our listener, understand about what we are talking about. Code switching refers to the alternations between two or more languages, dialects, or language register in the course of discourse between people who have more than one language in common. Apple said that code switching is the changing of the using language because of the changing of situations. According to Hogan, code switching can be defined as a situation when two or more languages come into contact. As is the case in multilingual communities around the world, they tend to color one another. Code switching occurs when a speaker speaks between two or more languages or language varieties in the context of a single conversation. And here I have an example of code switching's video.
Mengajar bahasa Inggris ya masing-masing.
Mengajar.
Okay, so did you get that reaction from your students when they saw you for the first time? Like, you look like a movie star.
Kadang-kadang.
Can we take a selfie?
Ya, kalau selfie banyak. Ya, saya rasa ada dua bagian kontrak saya. Guru bahasa Inggris dan yang ngambil selfie juga.
Yang ngambil selfie juga. Pasti ramai sekali ya. But tell us, you've been here 9 months. How's it been so far?
It's been good. It's been very difficult. But
Very
the
difficult?
students really want to learn.
Right.
And so they're very excited to learn, and I'm very excited to teach them.
What is the difficult part? Is it getting used to the lifestyle or?
I mean, I'm from Washington D.C., so
Right.
now I live in Gorontalo. I live outside the city, di desa itu.
Exactly.
Jadi rasa sedikit beda daripada Washington.
Ke tempat mengajar pakai apa? What do you go with the motorbike?
motor.
Oh, naik motor.
Iya.
Sebelumnya you've been on a motorcycle before?
Waktu baru sampai, baru belajar naik motor dulu kan.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson, okay?
Code mixing refers to the mixing of two or more languages or language varieties in speech. Code mixing explains that the situation in using language is changed when a person mixes up two or more languages in the same situations. Peter Maskey said that code mixing refers to all cases where lexical items and grammatical features from two languages appear in one sentence. Here is the example of code mixing's video.
It just gets lower and lower and lower. Betul, tapi Tessa, gue pertama kali, I remember ya, gue pertama kali I heard of you, itu from my friend. Jadi Cila, you know Cila, right? Cila itu waktu itu, lo harus nonton Mendra di YouTube. Oh, Open Up the Link. Waktu itu dia lagi nyanyiin lagi Sierra yang, gue suka, Body Party. Berbagi apa sih keceriaan, kesenangan kepada seluruh masyarakat Indonesia.
Ya good time saja
good
basically.
Time, dan kita bukan acara yang ditonton doang dari rumah,
Yeah.
tapi kita pengen orang-orang semua involved gitu, pengen ikut campur.
Partisipasi juga.
Partisipasi, kita kasih hadiah.
Oh,
kasih
acaraku juga gitu.
surprise.
My show is like that too.
I know.
Tapi kita nggak terlalu banyak ngasih, cuman kita pengennya penonton ngasih ke kita. Jadi kayak misalnya ngasih makanan.
Iya, benar, setuju.
So we ask you to involve too ya Dito ya.
So, in those two videos, Boy William mixing some word in a sentence. Boy William used both of English language and Indonesian's language. Okay, that's all my video. That's all about code switching and code mixing. And thank you for visiting my YouTube.
No